preparing the famous dish from India. It's chicken biryani. It has all Indian spices, and whenever I'm eating, like I get Indian flavors in each and every bite. That's how biryani is my one of favorite food. So to be frank, I don't know how to cook back in India. So after I came here, I learned how to cook. Of course, my guide is my mom, and I learned chicken biryani from YouTube and my friends. So whenever I'm cooking, I'll just call my mom through video call, and she'll tell me like what I have to do the next steps. This is first step, next step, and everything. So that's how I learned cooking. For chicken biryani, chicken is the main ingredient, right? So I have already marinated it last night with the spices, yogurt, cilantro, mint. I won't use any food color. So I'll prepare food color by using ghee and adding turmeric. So it will be like this. Thankful that I'm sharing my food with everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.